Then came the war between the Autobots who fought for freedom and the Decepticons who dreamt of tyranny. Overmatched and outnumbered, our defeat was all but certain. But in the war's final days, one Autobot ship escaped the battle. It was carrying a secret cargo, which would have changed our planet's fate. A desperate mission. Our final hope. That vanished.
Up there. Over there.
What you got?
Impact detected. We have impact confirmed. Contacted.
2250 GMT.
What? Give me SecDef on the phone right away.